As a former Maryite, I encourage young ladies to come to St. Mary's Academy to get the experience like no other. You are considered an elitist here at St. Mary's Academy. The academics are top notch. The experience is top notch. Our girls have social graces. They're able to express who they are through either performing arts, athletics, or academics.
Our students here at SMA really love our school. The faculty and staff members always encourage us and inspire us to do better within our lives.
At St. Mary's Academy, we provide the perfect blend of academics, spirituality, and extracurricular activities for young ladies and budding young men.
This is a place where any child can come and they will be nurtured, they will be educated, and they will not regret coming to this school. This place is a beacon in New Orleans East. And we as teachers, counselors, administrators, we believe in each child and we lift them up on a daily basis. No matter who they are, where they're from, we take care of the child as a village.
St. Mary's is where great things are happening.
St. Mary's is where great things are happening.
St. Mary's is where great things are happening.
St. Mary's, where great things are happening.